It's June 2012. William Hurt, Deidre Hurt, and Andrea Hurt are among 4 teens arrested after the lifeless body of Marcus Golicky is pulled from the Ohio River. Family members say Golicky was their uncle. It's a bizarre case those close to the justice system won't soon forget.
I've been a prosecutor. I've been involved in a lot of criminal matters as a prosecutor. I've never seen anything like this. It really is extremely unusual.
It was a joint investigation between the Evansville Police Department and Kentucky State Police. To this day, no one has been convicted in connection with Golicky's death. Officers dropped charges against Andrea early on. The prosecutor's office dismissed charges against Deidre after a judge threw out her confession. William went to trial, where a jury found him not guilty. Now a federal lawsuit has thrust the case back into the limelight. It accuses law enforcement of intentionally framing the teens through coerced false confessions and fabricated evidence. Mike Woods, a longtime Evansville lawyer, says their claims are hard to prove.
And the mere fact that someone has criminal charges dismissed, or even if they're found not guilty, does not give them a cause of action against the police or the prosecutor's office. They're going to have to show bad faith, that the police were acting in a way to convict an innocent person. That's a tough burden. The plaintiffs are going to have to show the defendant's state of mind, that at some point they realized these people were innocent and they started manufacturing evidence.
Harley Wade, the 4th teen arrested, is not listed as a plaintiff on the lawsuit. He's currently being held in the Vanderburgh County Jail on $70,000 bond for an unrelated crime. Wood says leaving Wade out of the lawsuit is likely a strategic move to make the plaintiffs look as clean as possible.
You wouldn't want to include somebody in the lawsuit that's going to be dirty, because the jury's going to look at him and say, well, no wonder you thought they might have murdered somebody. I mean, they're a dangerous person.
Adding to the complexity of the case, the lawsuit challenges the Kentucky medical examiner's findings, suggesting Golicky's death wasn't a murder at all, but instead a suicide, leaving some wondering if a crime ever took place.